Hello everyone. What you see in front of you is nothing really new. This is my Bedini 6 coiler application I've built more than 2 years ago. It's a pretty heavy, nice running machine. I'm really happy when I was finished with this project and I was charging batteries and it was turning and conditioning batteries. But I had a few troubles sometimes when I did start the machine and I didn't know what it was. So I changed the charge battery, switched on my on button on the previous control box, and then suddenly when I started turning the wheel, after a few turns I had big sparks on my circuit boards and nothing, everything was dead. So I had to replace the transistors, had to test everything again, so not only the transistors had been damaged, also some diodes and so on and so on. So a few months ago, it was before Christmas, I did rewire everything on this machine. So you can see all the trigger wires are here, the power cables and the circuit boards. Now it's really running smoothly, doing its job, and I think it has also much better performance right now. Here's my new control box, on and off switch, 2 additional switches for my built-in caps in here, the trigger switches and the 6 pots. So every board has its own trigger circuit and its own pot. The amp meters, yeah, so it's a really handy box. Inside of the box it looks like this. I took a picture before I closed it. Here you have all the wiring for the trigger circuits. Here you see all the pots and all the cables and everything. Kind of messy, but it does work pretty fine. And here all the caps I've used. They're all in parallel. So we have 330 volt 100 microfarad caps. So these are standard photo flash caps. These are all the new things I did. Took me some time. But what I'm going to demonstrate and to show you how this thing is running right now, we have a 7 amp hour run battery and we have 2 really pretty used older batteries, but they're not in a bad condition. So they're both in parallel, 2 100 amp hour batteries. So I'm going to show you how this beauty is running. So, as I said, here is the run battery. This is the charge side, both batteries in parallel, and this is the voltage across all batteries, the summary. As you can see, the run battery dropped a little bit. The charge batteries are charging pretty fine, and the summary of the voltage is rising. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this setup right now. I'm going to turn now the machine off. Thanks for watching.